Addressing a function at Gandhinagar to mark the completion of 40 years of Suzuki Motor Corp in India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that by 2030, 50% of India's energy production will be met by non-fossil fuel, and by 2070, it plans net zero. Youth Affairs and Sports Ministry will organize Meet the Champion initiative in 26 schools across the country on the occasion of National Sports Day today. Addressing through the Mann Ki Baat program of All India Radio, Prime Minister Narendra Modi urged the countrymen to join the Poshan Maah to be observed from next month to eliminate malnutrition. Over 211 crore 91 lakh vaccine doses have been administered so far under the nationwide vaccination drive. The District Sports Officer, East Khasi Hills District, Shillong, in collaboration with the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, conducted the National Sports Day 5K run today as part of the celebration of the National Sports Day in Shillong.